some time till I just talk to myself till people come live. But we have a few people here now. Hi, 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 hi. Is my camera dirty? It's just my face. Hello everybody. Hi Mostly Sane Vibes. Hi Prajakta Keel Ladli. how you all find these usernames, I don't know, but they're damn creative. It's a lot of fun. Hi Mostly Sane Kori. Hi Mostly Sane fan page. Hi Mostly Sane XO. What happened to your finger? Oh, you saw that? So this hand was rather having a tough time over the weekend. So over the weekend, did you see my latest reel? उसमें आपने देखा we went kayaking. So when you're holding the paddle of the kayak, you have to row like this. And I was kayaking, and छिल गया हाथ मेरा. It's not that big a deal. और फिर जब पहली बार मैं बैठी, my hand got stuck between two seats, and it was just a little weird. But we've got 20,000 people. Hi. हेलो. तो इसके लिए चोट लग गई थोड़ी सी. ये वाले हाथ में काफी इसकी हाथ बैंड बची है. Yeah, even I am so happy that I'm live after so long, honestly. I wanted to come live yesterday on Monday, लेकिन got a call. मुझे think that was happening. पहली बात तो I got so many calls and messages and posts and stories and tags and DMs over the weekend for my birthday. चार्ज क्यों नहीं हो रहा मेरा फोन? Oh no, ये तो छूट गया. एक सेकंड, मैं फोन चार्जिंग पे लगाती हूँ. एक सेकंड रुक जाइए. There we go. Yeah. तो हाँ, so I was supposed to तो रेंज नहीं थी, तो इस चक्कर में I missed a lot of calls. वहाँ पे ना हम जहाँ रुके थे वहाँ पे मचान में ऊपर एक जगह पे कहीं पे जाके एक जगह पे रेंज आती थी थोड़ी सी. But I would just check my stories and I would share my stories and things like that, and I would lose range again. So I missed so many calls. But उसके बाद जिस दिन मेरा बर्थडे था उससे एक दिन पहले we heard about the Emmy win for the Creators for Change project. फिर मेरा बर्थडे, फिर उसके बाद बर्थडे वाले दिन शाम को merch launch हो गया. Then there's a massive video coming up today that I am very very excited about. So that is happening. So overall it was just a whole bunch of things that was making me extremely nervous, and I was very very overwhelmed. तो मेरे को ये live कल करना था, but मैं आज कर रही हूँ because Barkha Didi was here for my birthday. मैंने अभी photo डाली उनके साथ, and she just left. So I just dropped her to the airport, and now I'm going back. So I was very sad that she left. So yeah, don't lie. Why I'm not lying, Akash? Why will I lie? But guys, Akash is right now in a place that I can't wait to go and shoot in. So I'm really hoping that day comes very fast. Hello, Mostly Sane Pondi. I don't follow you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna follow you right after this live. यार ऐसे कोई है pages जिनको मैं follow नहीं करती हूँ? Please let me know. I'll start following them. Mostly Sane Bandra is saying let's play Q&A. Yeah, let's play Q&A. Ask me questions. I'll answer whatever the questions are. Raju is insane. Thank you so much. यार मैं बस बताना चाहती हूँ कि तुम लोग ने ना, मतलब मैं एक तो I don't know if it was because I was so tired over the weekend. I was emotionally I was so overwhelmed. But कल जब मैंने finally मुझे time मिला and I was sort of just going through all the tags and all the stories and everything, मेरे आंखों में इतने पानी बार आए जाए. मैं कहा यार ये तो बड़े cute है सारे photos जो बने. It was just so heartwarming. I don't know. I feel like saying thank you is not enough. So I really don't know how to express to you what I feel when I see the tags and the edits that you all make on Reels. Can't wait for Mismatch Season 2. Me neither. I can't wait for Mismatch Season 2. Mostly my star. Hi. Potter Sane. Hi. Mostly Sane FP 2020. Will you answer our birthday edits? I have to see all the reels जिसमें मैं tagged हूँ. I've not seen them all. I still have to see it. मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा करके देख रही थी. Actually ऐसा था ना कि because दीदी was in town and I met her after a really long time. She was in Mumbai after 2 years. मैं दीदी से Feb में मिली थी but वो काफी short मीटिंग रही थी. So I met her after a really long time properly. तो इस चक्कर में ना पिछले 2 दिन से मतलब I was a little away only from my phone. I am also lacking horribly at work. There are so many things that I had to finish doing that I have not done yet. At work, there are so many things that I had to finish doing that I have not done yet. Also, कितने पास रहते हैं यार. Mostly Sane Idol. Hi, Mostly Sane Prachi. Mostly Sane Prachi's birthday. Happy birthday. Hi, Uttara. Thank you so much, Baba. Mostly Sane Dum Dum Delhi. Love you too. Thank you. Hello. Mostly Sane is world. यार मतलब this is just crazy. This is mad. Thank you so much. But how is everyone doing? क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? I have some time to kill, so I was like, let's just chill. Your nails and hair. These are my nails. I have little daisies on my purple. I've been obsessed with purple. इसीलिए जब मेरे पास वो डमडम आर्मी वाला purple sweatshirt आया, I went mad. I was like, ये तो मैं birthday वाले दिन पहनूंगी. This is what I'll click a picture in when I post कि the merch is going live. And I have been wearing, I've done so many interviews yesterday and today. I have only been wearing that sweatshirt. And now I'm going to get all those colors, जो भी है. I think there's an olive green, there's a black in that sweatshirt. I mean, I like the Mostly Sane sweatshirt, like the Mostly Sane design also a lot. लेकिन Dum Dum Army वाला design just hits different. I just feel like Mostly Sane वाला डिजाइन में ना मुझे वो पसंद है जो पीछे Mostly Sane बहुत ज़्यादा. अगर आपने आगे एक बार मिस कर दिया पीछे 6 बार लिखा हुआ है. I like that. Your skin looks so pretty. Thank you so much. Today we don't have any makeup or anything. I said मैंने आज सुबह भी एक पोस्ट में ये क्या था, कुछ उड़ा ऊपर से गिरा शायद. आवाज आई? Did you hear that? God, on my car. I really hope there's no mark on it. We'll see. But like I shared about my skincare routine in the morning also on a post. But yeah, it has been very helpful to me. So I'm very glad that I started it in time. When is shooting for Mismatch beginning? यार जैसे ही we leave for the shoot, obviously airport से ही story spam होना शुरू हो जाएगा. हम सारे एक साथ होंगे. It's gonna be a blast. तो आपको तो पता चल ही जाएगा. जिस दिन शुरू हो जाएगा उसी दिन. In fact मुझे तो लगता है कि जिस दिन prep शुरू हो जाएगी आपको उसी दिन समझ में आ जाएगा कि when shoot is starting. So don't worry, but it's starting soon. So I'm very excited. Prarthana, I'm gonna see your IGTVs. I promise. How to convince mummy for merch? But like don't buy a lot. You can buy a mask if you want to buy a mask. It is कि अगर बात करनी है, you can buy a mask. I think masks are priced at $2.99. If you're worried about convincing your mom about spending money, I totally get it. When I was a teenager, when I was younger, I just couldn't get my family to convince my family कि मुझे ये सब कुछ खरीदना तो खरीद के दो. It's totally fine. What I used to do is I used to save my pocket money. अगर मुझे जैसे मैं Scholastic के जब exhibitions लगते थे मेरे स्कूल में तो मुझे हैरी पॉटर का merch चाहिए होता था usually. I used to like buying notepads and pencils and pens, and उस टाइम पे I couldn't afford it and I didn't have the guts of going and telling my parents कि सुनो मुझे खरीद के दो हैरी पॉटर मर्च मुझे चाहिए. What I used to do, I used to save from my pocket money. रक्षाबंधन वगैरह के टाइम पे जब लिफाफे आते थे, अगर मैं दिल्ली जाती थी तो जितनी बार हम दिल्ली जाते थे उतनी बार मेरी बहुत तगड़ी कमाई होती थी. बिकॉज दिल्ली में ये वाला बहुत था ना, अभी भी है कल्चर की अगर किसी भी बड़ों से मिलके हम निकले तो हमारे हाथ में लिफाफा दिया जाता था, पैसे दिए जाते थे. तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक एवरीबडी एल्स शक्ल पे मेरा होता था कि अरे नहीं बुआ हुआ कह रही हूँ, नहीं मासी, नहीं मामी, बट मैं सब रख लेती थी. तो फिर मैं ऐसे जमा कर करके आई टू बाय थिंग्स. और अगर छोटी मोटी चीजें लाइक आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज दिस स्मॉल नोटपैड जो वॉलेट में जाता है. आई थिंक उस टाइम पे इट वॉज सम 80 रुपीज और समथिंग. तो उसके लिए मैंने मम्मा से बोल दिया था, मैंने कहा माँ मुझे वो खरीद के दे दो. सो इफ यू कैन save from your pocket money, and and if you can buy, only then please talk to your parents about it. And if you want to buy something small to begin with, then you can get a mask that is comparatively cheaper if you want to. Mostly saying NM Teamnat says saving money for the merch. Listen, यार मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ when I see all those screenshots ना कि pre-book कर दिया and I've called for this and I've called for this. मुझे बस ऐसे honestly मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's such a big commitment, right? When you decide to spend money for somebody, कि मैं कह रही हूँ कि हाँ चलो ठीक है mostly sale वाले टी-शर्ट बिक रहे हैं और तुम खरीद भी रहे हो. So I feel like the fact that you decide to spend money that is hard earned, money that is extremely valuable, money that is so special to you on something that I am selling. I think that support it means a lot. So thank you so much. मुझे बहुत like मेरा ना मेरे मराठीत म्हणतात की मन भरून आलं, like मन भर गया. सेम ही बोलते पण जब मन भर गया तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है वो सब देख के. थैंक यू सो मच. द सेल्स विल गो अप वेरी वेरी सून. आई विल अनाउंस एज सून एज सेल्स गो अप. उसके बाद इट विल बी ओपन फॉर यू टू शॉप, continue shopping. Right now it's just pre-booking, so before the sales go up you will have it. Mostly in Marathi. Oh, मी तुझं फॅन पेज बघितला नाहीये का? I'm so sorry, but I think I follow you. I will check it out. यार मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है ना कि pre-ordered the merch, mostly sale _27. Thank you. मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि my entire timeline is only mostly sale fan pages, which I love. I love seeing it always, all the time. But sometimes it gets shuffled. So on some days I get to see back-to-back mostly sale posts. Sometimes I see a few, then I see a few friends or other creators, then I see some others or dogs. So इसलिए sometimes I miss seeing fan pages or like love handles that you all run on Instagram. Sometimes I miss seeing it, but as soon as there's a new one, I make a point that I follow. प्राजक्ता एक्स चेरी पी कम टू भूटान. यार मुझे आना है, मुझे बड़े टाइम से आना है. विशांक को भी आना है. हमारा बहुत मन है भूटान आने का. कौन गया था? मेरे ख्याल से मलिका हैज बीन टू भूटान. और मलिका मिथिला और मैं एक बारी बैठ के बातें कर रहे थे जब वी वर लाइक कि यार प्लान बनाना चाहिए. मलिका टोल्ड अस अबाउट भूटान एंड इट जस्ट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. आई कांट वेट टू कम. मोस्टली सेन गुजरात. यार मर्च बहुत सही दिख रहा है यार. आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस आई एम ग्लैड. सो बिकॉज इट्स यू एंड मी, जस्ट 10,000 people right now. बड़े टाइम से ना वी वर वर्किंग ऑन मर्च बिकॉज आई वाज सीइंग योर कमेंट्स, आई वाज सीइंग योर डीएम्स कि मर्च होना चाहिए. एक दो बारी आई हैव आल्सो एक्सपेरिमेंटेड. जब मीट एंड ग्रीट हुआ था तब देयर वाज अ वेरी स्मॉल स्टॉल दैट वी हैड पुट जो सिर्फ मीट एंड ग्रीट के टाइम पे हुआ था, वेयर यू कुड बाय मर्च. आई हैड डन समथिंग विद अनदर वेबसाइट फॉर अ वेरी ब्रीफ टाइम. आई थिंक व्हेन शेमलेस केम आउट इन 2017. तो इस बारी जब करना था आई वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूज. मैंने कहा यार कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, हाउ शुड आई डू दिस, आई डोंट नो. तो बहुत टाइम से वी वर वर्किंग, द टीम एंड आई वी हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन दिस फॉर मंथ्स. मतलब इट वाज जस्ट अ रिकरिंग डिस्कशन दैट जस्ट केप्ट हैपनिंग टिल फाइनली मैंने बोला कि लिसन वी हैव टू पुट इट फॉर प्री बुकिंग एटलीस्ट सो दैट दिस डिस्कशन कैन कम टू अ हॉल्ट. सो आई रिमेंबर उस टाइम पे डिसाइड कि चलो बर्थडे वाले दिन करते हैं. So the designs especially is what I was very excited about because I had very basic things planned before because I wanted to start slow, but then I was like why, let's sort of change it a little bit, thoda sa alag kuch try karte hain. And I was like I need a Dum Dum Army design, absolutely. Before mostly same design we need a Dum Dum Army design to happen when we start. तो इसीलिए and I'm so glad that you're liking the designs and you're liking the colors. I'm obsessed with the purple sweatshirt, trust me. Could you please wish my best friend's birthday? Yes, her name is Arya, mostly in Kori. Please, Arya, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. You're a fellow Cancerian. It should be fun. How old are you turning? Let me know. How, I don't know, but I'm sure mostly same Koi will put it somewhere. जम्मू आ जाओ यार, आना है. अभी फिलहाल तो खैर अभी दोबारा से थोड़े से रेस्ट्रिक्शंस हमारे आसपास बढ़ गए हैं, बट आएंगे. I am very hopeful about the situation. I am very hopeful that everything's going to be perfectly normal sooner than we think it is going to be. जब travel open हो जाएगा, it'll be safe to travel, it'll be safe to meet people, it'll be safe for us to have a meet and greet, it'll be safe to hug people and hold them close to your heart very very soon. तो जब वो होगा, I will definitely come to Jammu. Raju is love. Yes, I will check out your feed very soon. But listen, I just wanted to come here and tell you that I am so grateful that this is my life, and I'm sorry that I missed so many messages and tags and stories and reels and posts on my birthday. लेकिन जैसे जैसे हफ्ता जा रहा है, I'm going to keep seeing them. I'm going to keep responding, liking, commenting. मैंने already कल से शुरू कर दिया है, but I'll keep doing it because I am very blessed with an army that is just vast and the strongest, and Bhavanji never ending. So I'm very happy about that. I just wanted to come here and tell you that I appreciate you and thank you so much. Thank you for the lovely response on the merch. The website got a little because of traffic, but I'm very happy. I'm going to go now because I have a meeting in exactly 7 minutes or 7 नहीं 12 minus क्या 30 minus 17 कितना होता है 13 minutes. I have a meeting in 13. I'm horrible at math. I have a meeting in 13 minutes and I have to reach upstairs. Thank you. I will see you very, very soon. We'll do this live again this week. So I can add people. Okay? Now I'm going to go. I love you.